Morning, so this is my solution about doable freight and doable insurance. Number 1, Uzumaki Naruto Corp imported steel with an FOB value of $30,000. How much is the doable insurance? Solution: $30,000 times 0.02. INS is $600. Rule number 2, CIP/CAF 2%, 4% of the FOB, FCA. Sasuke Transport imported trials which arrived at the port of Zamboanga with an CFR value of $20,000 at representative presented a commercial invoice indicating the following expenses: freight at $5,000 and insurance at $500. How much is the doable insurance? Solution: commercial invoice is presented, therefore doable insurance is $500. Rule number 1, CIP/CIF commercial invoice. 3. Konoha Sports imported forehead protector which arrived at the port of Surigao with a CFR value at $30,000. A local insurance worth of 50,000 pesos was provided. How much is the doable insurance if the freight is $5,000 at the rate of exchange is 40 pesos per $1. Solution: FOB 50,000 equals CFR dash FRT equals $300 dash minus $500 versus, so ang imo na siyang ikuha ang kani siya per person per peso. INS $20,000 times 2.02, so mao ni siya $1,250 equals $500. Roll for local insurance premium without CERT or OR, whichever is higher. Department of Education imported plastic covers with a CFR value of $20,000. The original GSIS Marine Open policy was presented amounting of 18,000 pesos. How much is the doable insurance if the rate of exchange is 50 per $1 at a freight of $3,000? Solution is INS 18,000 pesos and divided by 50 equals $360. Rule 6, original GSIS Marine Open policy. tons and rice arrived at the port of Manila with a total CIP value of $50,000, the representative submitted the bill of lading indicating the freight change of $4,000. On the other hand, after further perusal of the document submitted, it was found that freight charge the insurance were indicating in the invoice at $450 and $4,500 and $2,500 respectively. How much is the doable freight? So solution, BL equals $4,000 versus invoice. Ang iyang giingon is $4,500. Rule 2, BL versus invoice, whichever is higher. Minato import suit with an FOB value of $20,000, which arrived at the subport of Dumaguete. How much is the doable freight if the shipment has a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms subject of 2 GCR rate of 0.55 per kilo dollar. Solution, 250 kilo times 0.55 dollar. So, $1,375. Rule 4, IETA dash GCR. So, 9, Minato imported a suit of with an FOB value of $25,000. The insurance and freight charge indicated in the entry are $400 and $1,000 respectively. How much is the doable freight if the shipment has a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms submitted to GCR rate of 0.55 per kilogram? Solution, entry, $1,000 versus GCR equals 2,500 kilo times 0.55 dollar. So, 1,375 times 0.7 $962.50. Number 10, a shipment of 2 times 40 STC frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in Port of Cebu. Its CFR value is $55,000. How much is the doable freight if the insurance is $1,500 and the freight indicated in the BL is $3,100, supported with a certification from the shipping lines? Solution, BL equals $3,100. Rule 1, BL dash AWB. Next, number 11. A shipment of 2 times received frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived at the port. Same question na sa atong niagi sa number 10. Its year's value is $55,000. How much is the double fried insurance? Is if the insurance is $1,500 and the fried indicated in the BL is $3,100. Solution: BL 3,100 versus REEFER band rates. Hong Kong 1,600 times 2. So, ang kuha niya 3,200. Rule 7. Refrigerated shipment, whichever is higher. 12. Sakura Flower Shop has an importation of 3 times 20 STC assorted plastic pots with a CFR value of $54,000, which arrived at the port of Zamboanga from port of Quezon. Bill of lading indicating the freight charge at 4,000. How much is the double fried if the insurance is $1,000? Solution: BL equals 4,000. Rule 1 BL dash AWB. Number 13. National Food Authority imported rice sacks with FOB value of $20,000. How much is the double fried if the local insurance premium is $30,500 while the fried in the bill of lading is $2,200, while the fried in the bill of lading is $2,200. So ang kuha niya is 50 per 1 peso dollar. CFB dash FOB FRT. Solution: BL 2,000 versus $28,000 plus 2,200. $22,000 times 0.10, $2,200. Rule 6. NFA importation given versus 10% of CFR, whichever is higher. United Trading imported 20 cartons of medicine kits with FCA value of $30,000. Insurance and freight charge were indicated in the entry as follows: $600 and $895. Each carton weighs 5 kilograms and measure